Hello and welcome back to SEO Science, the place where we bring you valuable insights on all things digital marketing. Today we've got a game changer for you, how to make your company millions with SEO. In this video, we're going to take you through an easy to understand, step-by-step guide on how to leverage the power of SEO to boost your company's revenue to unimaginable heights. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of successful SEO. You need to identify the keywords that your potential customers are searching for. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you discover the golden keywords. Once you have them, it's time to strategically incorporate them into your content. Step 2. On-page SEO. This involves optimizing your website structure and content. You'll want to use your chosen keywords in meta tags, headers, and throughout your content. But remember, it's all about providing value to your visitors. Google rewards informative and user-friendly websites. Step 3. Technical SEO. Technical SEO ensures that your website is a breeze for search engines to crawl. Factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure HTTPS connections are vital. You can use tools like Google's Page Speed Insights and Mobile Friendly Test to check your website's performance. Step 4. Content creation. Content is king. Regularly producing high quality, SEO-friendly content is crucial. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or any format that your audience prefers. Engaging content keeps visitors coming back for more. Step 5. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO involves building your website's reputation. This includes acquiring high-quality backlinks, social media engagement, and collaborating with influencers. The more reputable sources linked to your website, the higher it will rank. Step 6. Monitoring and analytics. Now, you can't improve what you don't measure. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your SEO progress. Set key performance indicators, otherwise known as KPIs, and regularly track your results. Step 7. Continuous improvement. Lastly, SEO is a constantly evolving field. Google frequently updates its algorithms and new trends emerge. Stay up to date with industry news and be ready to adapt your strategies accordingly. And there you have it. That is our step-by-step guide on how to make your company millions with SEO. Remember, success isn't overnight. It takes time, consistency, patience, and dedication to make your business an online powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more valuable content. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep growing, and cheers to your company's future success. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.